Hello and welcome. Recently had the kitchen redone and have a slight organizational problem right here. So we're going to fix this. This is one of those projects where you don't need any special measurement tools, just the smallest box to figure out the depth of the shelf. And then I'm just using some 6mm or 1/4 inch MDF. And now that the sides are done, it's a good time to use that measurement to make the shelves for the unit. Now I could have used a router for the rabbits and dados, but the table saw was ready to go. Just make sure that when you do set the blade for the rabbits and dados that you rotate the blade so you see the full height of the cut. And for the rabbits, I'm just using a piece of scrap for a sacrificial board. Now the sacrificial board is only used for the initial cut on all 4 of the rabbits. Afterwards, I'll switch back over to the fence and use it for its accuracy. Remembering to cut and rotate so that way I hit all 4 edges, and then just notching down the table saw fence ever so gently and measuring my work with the shelf that I cut earlier. Now that the rabbits are done, I just measured the biggest box that'll be going in there, and I use that measurement for the space in between the dados. Just remember to evenly alternate between both of the boards and to take a measurement with that shelf piece that you cut every now and again for a firm fit. And continue on as needed. And for the last dado, all I'm doing is splitting the difference and going from there. Initially, I was going to put in finger holes for all those hard to get out objects. However, I stopped and realized that I didn't need it with as wide as my shelves are and decided to press on from there. From that point forward, it's just dropping some glue within the joints and then adding in the shelving pieces. And then of course the other panel. Before you add the ends to the rabbit joints, elevate the unit a bit, and that way the clamping is a bit easier. And all you gotta do is glue up the shelving pieces, add them in, and then clamp it down. And then lastly, a few paint cans to help with compression. Alright, so not the silver bullet that I was hoping for, but a definite improvement in organization as we got place for extra carrier bags, sandwich bags, and different wraps here. And as far as the finish goes, I may not finish it, or I may paint it white, or I may even get contact paper to match the veneer that it surrounds. So if you like this, please share it, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.